Our story starts some 12 years ago when 10-year-old Shiri and her cousin Ali saved some money to plant a pomegranate sapling. At the time, Shiri lived with her younger brother Danial and parents Saftar and Rabia in the city. Ali lived on a farm with his mother Nusrat. The children sold the fruit from the tree and soon expanded their business to plant a beautiful orchard of 7 pomegranate trees on Ali's farm. The children would transport their fruit to the city and sell it at Saftar's fruit shop. By the time they were 15 years old, Shiri and Ali had saved enough to invest in a juice maker and started selling pomegranate juice at the shop. With their parents' help, both children used the earnings from their business to successfully develop a family savings plan for their university fees. Although the children were studying in the university, they continued to help Saftar with the fruit and juice business. Shiri and Ali have just graduated from university. Let's see what the future holds for them.